Hi guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to cook the egg curry. So you need to prepare everything. This is the preparation: scallions, onions, garlics, and green chili and masalas. So first you're gonna put these two masalas, which is cumin seeds and methi seeds, into the oil. Fry it a little bit well. Now you're gonna add the egg and cook it well a little bit. Alright, now so second step is you gotta put some oils, garlic and green chili and fry with the potatoes and cook it well. Make sure no burn. Okay, now I'm going to put some onions and tomatoes. Alright, now you gotta put the curry masalas and chili powders, and I'm gonna put the salt. Just put the salt how much you want. And mix it well. So now I'm going to put in the ginger with the garlic. Okay, now I'm gonna add the chili powder and curry powder. And I like to add the meat masala as well. So you can put the spicy chili powder, or you can skip it if you don't like. And mix well. Make sure no burn. Okay, now you can cover it a little bit and add tomato. And mix it well. Then you can add the egg into the potato you cook now. And I'm gonna add the scallion and cilantro I'm gonna add a little bit of water. That's be. You're gonna cook for 2 minutes. That's be. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. I hope you enjoy it.